Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you know that the right spotting scope can make a huge difference in your target shooting accuracy? Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned shooter, choosing the perfect scope is key. In today's video, we're comparing the top spotting scopes available on Amazon so you can find the best one to take your shooting skills to the next level. Let's dive in. First up at number 5, SVBONY SV28 Spotting Scope. The SVBONY SV28 is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. With a 25-75x magnification and a 7mm objective lens, it delivers bright, clear images even at higher zoom levels. Thanks to the Bake-for prism, the optics are sharp, making this a great pick for both beginners and experienced shooters. Plus, it's built to last with rubberized, IP65 water-resistant construction, and it's fog-proof to keep your view clear in any weather. However, the tripod is a bit flimsy, and the phone mount can be tricky when adjusting the zoom. This scope is ideal for those starting out in target shooting or bird watching, offering reliable performance without breaking the bank. Pros: great value, excellent image quality, durable. Cons: weak tripod, awkward phone mount. If you're on a budget but still want quality, the SVBONY SV28 offers solid performance for the price. Next, at number 4, Gosky updated 2060 ID Spotting Scope. For just $140, the Gosky 2060 ID Spotting Scope is a fantastic deal. With a magnification range of 2060 and an 8mm lens, you get clear images, even at longer distances. The Bach 4 Paro prism ensures brightness, while the included smartphone adapter lets you capture sharp images with ease. The downside is that the tripod isn't very sturdy, so upgrading to a more durable model is recommended. This scope is perfect for shooters who also enjoy capturing nature photography due to its user-friendly smartphone adapter. Pros: great magnification, high-quality optics, smartphone adapter. Cost: unstable tripod, some image clarity loss at higher magnifications. If you're looking for an affordable, versatile scope, the Gosky 2060 ID is a top contender. At number 3, Celestron Ultima 100 Angled Spotting Scope. The Celestron Ultima 100 brings a massive light transmission, delivering bright views for target shooting or stargazing. The 22x66 magnification range is versatile, but be warned, it's a bit bulky, so you'll need a sturdy tripod. Still, it's a great budget-friendly choice for those who want solid performance at a reasonable price. Jeremy, this scope is ideal for enthusiasts who enjoy both daytime and nighttime viewing, providing versatility across multiple activities. Pros: huge lens for excellent light transmission, waterproof, fog-proof. Cons: bulky, not as sharp as high-end models. The Ultima 100 is perfect for enthusiasts looking for great value at a low price. Moving on to number 2, MS26.66 VAE Spotting Scope. If you're after a budget scope with premium features, the MS26.6 VAE fits the bill. It offers a 26 magnification range, back 4 glass for superior light transmission, and an impressive camera adapter for DSLR users. The extended eye relief is a big plus for glasses wearers, but it's a bit bulky and lacks dual focus, which can affect precision at higher zoom levels. This scope stands out for its adaptability, making it suitable for both shooters and photographers looking for detailed shots. Pros: excellent price, extended eye relief, camera adapter included. Cons: a bit bulky, no dual focus. If you're looking for a solid, feature-rich scope without breaking the bank, the Emarth 2060 S60 AE is a great option. And finally, at number 1, Vortex Optics Diamondback Spotting Scope. The Vortex Diamondback 2066 is hands down one of the best butt scopes out there. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly durable, making it perfect for both target shooting and bird watching. The fully coated lenses offer sharp, clear images even at full zoom. The smooth focusing system ensures precision, and the rubberized body gives you a solid grip, even in wet conditions. It's tough to beat at this price. With its excellent build and clarity, this scope caters to shooters who prioritize both performance and portability. Pros: affordable, compact, sharp optics, smooth focusing. Cons, the tripod mount could use more flexibility. The Vortex Diamondback is the best all-round scope for those who want quality at an affordable price. So, which scope should you choose? If you're after the best value for your money, the Vortex Diamondback takes the win. It combines durability, sharp optics, and a budget-friendly price point, making it the ultimate choice for target shooting enthusiasts. Before you make your final decision, think about your specific needs. Are you more focused on long-range accuracy, photography, or a mix of both? Also, consider upgrading the tripod for better stability. Even the best scope can't perform well on a shaky stand. That's it for today's review. All the links to these scopes are in the description below. Check them out. Let me know which one you're leaning towards in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Thanks for watching.